Hi guys, Mitko here from Dremel, and today we're gonna open this portable electric grinder from DSPIAE. It's a brand new thing, got it yesterday, and I kept the sweetest part for you to see. Nice. The smaller boxes, this came with the kit as an extra. There is an option to order one or the other or all together. I picked to get those, plus sanding sponges, which are not here yet. Now this is serious packing. As you can see, Master Series. As far as I tested their nippers, the DSPIAE are state-of-the-art products, and therefore I'm very happy to have those. Look what they sent with the kit. Okay, but this is clearly visible. USB-C of the tool, flexible cable, nice in color. You can charge it with pretty much anything, but nice to have it in the kit. This is much smaller than I expected. I ordered it as a Dremel substitute. However, this is very tiny. Now, you can see 1 square box is 1 square centimeter, so not a big thing. Now, LED lights. There is a L-shaped tool to install the grinding option that you might want to use. And speaking of those, before we continue with that, let me show you the other thing, this one here. This is again DSPIAE. Everything was not overly expensive. It was not cheap, but not overly expensive. Directly from AliExpress. You can probably find the description in the description link down below. There you go. This is a tungsten thing, so pretty serious thing. Should be able to sustain a lot of damage. Now, this is the one that I suspect should be used mostly, and it should be used mostly on this victim here and that. So wood and plastic. Now let's check out how this works. Now, I saw no operating instructions, but it's 1 button only, plus the charging station here. Therefore, 1 click and it starts. Okay, so you can see second gear, third gear. I don't know for how much longer this can sustain the tempo, but let's try it on plastic. This is a Teleri plastic. This is not overly thick. Pretty powerful. Now, as you can see, this can easily get through the plastic. It's pretty harsh. I expected this to be a decent substitute of a Dremel, and it actually is, because it is not weak. I have nail polisher from China, which is supposedly capable of similar action, but it's not. It's very weak. The engine here, the motor is pretty powerful. Let's check it on wood. This is first speed. This is pretty serious thing. I didn't expect to be that powerful, and I'm happy with the result, of course. I need to clean that up, but I won't bore you with that. Okay, this is how you loosen up the tool and remove it. I gotta clean this up. As you can see, you can work a lot deeper than I expected, and supposedly this should do most of the job on your plastic models and even more. Now, DSPIAE are a company well respected due to their quality and products, but this thing, I saw this thing from another company. It was branded somehow, it had a name, but let's say it's a no name because I haven't seen the name before. And Border Model has an offer of this thing here, which is in different color. Not much of a difference. I don't know what the motor is inside, but if we let's assume that DSPIAE made the same thing for them and branded it differently, it is pretty neat thing to have. This in general will substitute like 80, maybe more % of my Dremel work, and this is a lot lighter, a lot more flexible, USB charge, no cables like with Dremel. It is very powerful. I believe that I can put the disc and cut through plastic with that one. As you can see, I didn't tested that, but I believe there will be no issues whatsoever. For polishing, this is beyond perfect. Drilling holes, good looking thing. Okay, so that was that. Thank you for watching. I believe this is well worth the money. It was below the average price for the 48 scale model, and supposedly it should last a lot longer than just any other regular tool, because it's DSPIAE. So I think I can highly recommend that from my first view of the tool. So once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.